One new Akita 36x40 gap bed lathe manufactured in Taiwan, weighing 11,500 pounds. Featuring 36-inch swing, 40 inches between center, 47 inches in the gap, 4 1/8 spindle bore, 15 horsepower main motor, 12 speeds from 15 to 1,000 RPM, complete with foot brake and inching button. Comprehensive quick change feed and threading gearbox. Power feed in cross and longitudinal axis. Five Morse tapered tailstock, complete with 2-speed quill and hand crank. Hardened and ground bedways. One-piece casting for rigidity. Equipped with 12-inch 3-jaw chuck. Chuck guard. Traveling chip guard, 4-way tool post, coolant system including rear splash guard, halogen light, 2-axis Mitutoyo digital readout, thread chasing dial, and leveling bolts.